Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream at home easily. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll be surprised how few you need for a delicious treat. This method doesn't require an ice cream maker, making it accessible for everyone. We'll prepare the base quickly, setting the stage for a creamy dessert. The foundation of our note-churn ice cream relies on heavy cream and sweetened condensed milk, with vanilla extract for classic flavor. For exciting variations, consider folding in chocolate chips, fresh fruit purees, or chopped nuts. Remember, keeping all your ingredients well chilled before you begin mixing is key to achieving the best texture. Once your mixture is ready, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe container, like a loaf pan. To prevent ice crystals and maintain a smooth texture, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the ice cream before sealing the container with a lid. Place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until it's perfectly firm. Before serving your homemade ice cream, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. For storing any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight, freezer-safe container. Press plastic wrap onto the surface and seal tightly to prevent freezer burn and maintain its creamy texture for up to 2 to 3 months. And speaking of great deals, you can find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.